Is it time to buy or sell iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of August, 2024, our system has identified iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.82. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.28%. This amounts to an average return of 0.01% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned within a narrow and slightly upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is likely. The current 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of nearly 10% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from nearly 9% to approximately 14%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a projected change of about 7% over the next year, with potential returns between a decrease of 1% and a rise of 15%. This translates to a price range between $97.36 and $113.55 after a year. Our latest daily update for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond highlights a challenging day, with the ETF experiencing a decline of 0.212%. On the previous trading day, which was Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, the price of the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF dropped from $98.88 to $98.67. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the last trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.09%, with a low of $98.02 and a high of $99.09. Over the last 10 days, the price has decreased in 7 of those days, amounting to a total decline of 1.32%. Additionally, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator since volume should adjust in accordance with the ETF's movement. Specifically, on the last trading day, the volume fell by 2 million shares, contributing to an overall total of 35 million shares exchanged, valued at approximately $3.46 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the ETF was $101.64, while the lowest was $82.42. Currently, the price stands 2.92%, or $2.97, below the 52-week high, and 45.09%, or $81.03, beneath the all-time high reached on the 9th of March, 2020, when the price peaked at $179.70. As of September 23, 2024, TLT, or the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF, is encountering significant implications due to recent changes in monetary policy and broader economic conditions. The yield on the 10-year note stands at 3.73%, while the 30-year yields have reached 4.07%. This increase indicates rising inflation expectations, which poses risks for long-dated government bonds. The national debt, currently at $35 trillion, further complicates the situation, decreasing organic demand for long-term bonds and consequently elevating their yields. The Federal Reserve has recently adopted an aggressive stance on interest rates, reducing them by 0.5 percentage point. This action aims to foster a soft landing for the economy following an extended battle against inflation. Historically, such shifts can benefit Treasury ETFs, particularly in the context of anticipated rate cuts, which have been confirmed by cooling inflation data. In the short term, this environment may drive TLT's price higher as investors seek safer assets during economic uncertainty. However, in the long term, the ETF faces challenges from rising yields linked to inflation risks and increasing debt levels. Ultimately, while TLT may experience short-term gains from current Federal Reserve policies, the underlying risks could significantly impact its performance as inflationary pressures continue. The following signals have been identified for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. The iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond exchange-traded fund holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Simultaneously, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the exchange-traded fund, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. If there are further gains, the exchange-traded fund will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $99.85. Conversely, if it declines, the exchange-traded fund will find support from the long-term average at approximately $98.43. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, and these may impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 16th of September, 2024, with a decline of 2.63% observed so far. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 42 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 38 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 65 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond finds support from accumulated volume at $98.28. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the fund experienced a movement of $1.07 between its high and low, representing 1.09%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of the fund was 0.85%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond is at $98.80. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond faces its first support level at $98.28. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $94.27, reflecting a decline of 4.46%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, contributing to a lower risk profile. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 31 days ago. Is the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF a good investment? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable likelihood that the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond ETF could perform well in the near future. Upon reviewing the volatility and market movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 24th of September, we anticipate that the iShares 20-plus year Treasury Bond will open lower by approximately 7 cents and begin trading at $98.59. We would like to remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.